future Archbishop of Kampala was born to Joseph Nsubuga Wamala, a catechist, and his wife Matilda Nakonde on Monday 19th January 1953 in Chabakadde, Nagalama, in present-day Mukono district. Unaware of his love for the Catholic faith, Lwanga's parents first sent him to Chabakadde Primary School in 1960. Later, in 1964, he was sent to Nyenga Seminary. He continued his priestly formation at Katigondo Major Seminary between 1972 and 1974. From 1975 to 1978, he attended Gaba National Seminary, where he majored in theology before he was finally ordained a priest on 9th April 1978 at Lubaga Cathedral by the former Archbishop of Kampala, Emmanuel Cardinal Nsubuga. Soon after his ordination, Father Kizito Lwanga was sent to the University of Clermont-Ferrand in France to study administration and languages. Later, he studied at the Pontifical University of the Holy Cross in Rome, where in 1994 he earned a doctorate in canon law. Upon his return from Rome, he served in several parishes as a priest of Kampala Archdiocese until 30th November 1996, when he was first appointed Bishop of the Diocese of Kasana-Luweero. He is particularly remembered for his zeal in lifting the diocese located in the heart of the war-ravaged Luweero Triangle, scene of the NRM guerrilla war. With his predecessor Emmanuel Cardinal Wamala retiring from active administration, Pope Benedict XVI appointed Lwanga to be the Archbishop of Kampala, with the installation taking place at Lubaga Cathedral on the 30th of September 2006. Following his installation, Archbishop Lwanga is remembered for spearheading several developments in the church, including the refurbishing of the church as well as the administration buildings in Lubaga. He was also instrumental in developing several income-generating projects for the diocese, including works on Mapera House, the home of Centenary Bank, several schools and health facilities. He also strengthened several church institutions and increasing the number of the religious to support the faith among the Christians. He had become renowned for his preaching and his views on current affairs, and he was not afraid to criticize government excesses. However, Dr. Lwanga was not immune to challenges at work, such as when some of the priests under his care defied his directives and abandoned the faith to start a rival institution. However, two of these priests, Father Anthony Msala and Father Deogracius Sonko, returned to the faith and asked for forgiveness. Towards the end, Dr. Lwanga was particularly hurt by reports that the government had recruited some of his priests and nuns to spy on him. He appealed to the president on this matter before he was referred to the Inspector General of Police, Martin Okoth Ochola. In his most recent scenario, Archbishop Lwanga fell out with his colleagues at the Uganda Joint Christian Council, for which he was chairperson to the end, when he delivered a statement ahead of the elections. In the statement, Lwanga called for an extension of the presidential term as a means of alleviating the tension ahead of the elections. However, in the end, he was able to reconcile with them and even participated in the Way of the Cross on Good Friday, ironically, his last public sighting. Lwanga is the third Archbishop of Kampala to die in office. He was preceded by Cardinal Wamala, who is still alive. However, Archbishop Joseph Kiwanuka and Emmanuel Cardinal Nsubuga, also once in the same seat, died in office. Solomon Kawesa, NTV.